Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So class, again I am here with the math subject. In today's video, I am going to explain the concept of what comes between. What comes in between? Between means बीच में. Between means बीच में. In a simple language, between number means the middle number. Between number means the middle number. Middle means बीच में. Middle means बीच में. So now say the spelling of between with me. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Between. Between means the middle number. Between means the middle number. Middle means बीच का number. Middle means बीच में. Okay kids, what is this? Yes, this is dash. This is dash. Already I have told you what is the means of dash. Means of dash means खाली स्थान. Means of dash means खाली स्थान. Okay, through some pictures, I will explain you what comes between. What comes between. As you can see, here are some fruits. Here are some fruits. So, let's find out which fruit is in between. Which fruit is in between. Now again, first we will learn before and after. Then we will find out between. Okay, means here are some fruits. As you can see, here are some fruits. Papaya, banana and orange. Papaya, banana and orange. Now tell me which fruit comes before banana? Yeah, papaya comes before banana. Papaya. And which fruit comes after banana? Yes, orange. Which fruit comes after banana? Yes, orange. So it means which fruit is in middle? कौन सा fruit middle में है? Middle means बीच में. Which fruit is in middle? Yes, banana. Banana fruit is in middle. Banana कहाँ है? Middle में. Means between. Means between. Means banana कहाँ है आपका? Between में. Papaya और orange के बीच में. My next objects are toffees. As you can see, here are 3 toffees. Here are 3 toffees. And all the 3 toffees are in different color. And all the 3 toffees are in different color. First is in green, second blue, and third one black. Third one black. So let's find out which toffee is in between. Now, between means middle. Between means middle. Now blue color toffee is in middle. Blue color toffee is in between. And what comes before blue color toffee? Yes, green color. And after? Yes, black color. Means between toffee is in blue color. Between means बीच में. Between means बीच में. Means middle. Means middle. Now we will find out what comes in between with the help of number line. With the help of number line. As you can see, here are some numbers. First, we will choose any 3 numbers. Now, I will choose first, second and third. 1, 2 and 3. How many numbers? 1, 2 and 3. So, let's find out which is the between number. Which is the between number. So, see among these 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. So, here you can see which number in between. Before 2, 1 number. After 2, 3 number. And means middle number is 2. Middle number is 2. Means first and third. Means 1 and 3 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आया है? Number 2. Number 2. Means number 2 is between number. Number 2 is between number. जो फर्स्ट के बाद आता है एंड थर्ड के पहले आता है. Now let's take another number. Let's find out which is between numbers 6, 7 and 8. 6, 7 and 8. 6, 7 and 8. 6, 7, 8. So now we have 3 numbers are here. 6, 7 and 8. And which one is between? 7 number is in between. 7 number is in between. Between means बीच में. जो 6 और 8 के बीच में आया है. 7 number is in middle. 7 number is in middle number. Okay kids, it's a practice time in notebook. I have written few numbers here. I have written few numbers here. As you can see, here are 2 numbers, 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Now see the number line. Now see the number line. 2 and 4. So what comes after 2? 2 के बाद क्या आता है? 3. What comes after 2? 3. And what comes before 4? 3. What comes before 4? 3. Means between number is 3. Between number is 3. So we can write here 2 after 3. Between number is 3. Okay, now next 7 and 9. 7 and 9. And middle number is, between number is left. So again you see the number line. Here is 7, after 8, after 9. 7 after 8 and 8 after 9. 7 after 8 and 9 before 8. Means middle number is 8. Between number is 8. Now see 7 after 8. What comes after 7? 8. And what comes before 9? 8. Means what comes between 7 and 9? 8. Which number comes? 8. 8 is a between number. 8 is between number. Now next number is 10 and 12. 10 and 12. We have 10 and 12. So what comes after 10? 11. And what comes before 12? 11. 12, 11 means between number is 10, 11, 12 means between number is 11. Between number is 11. Which number comes 10 and 12? Between 11. Which number comes in between 10 and 12? 11. Which number comes in between 10 and 12? 11. Now next number is 15 and 17. 15 and 17. And what comes in between 15 and 17? 16. What comes in between and 17? 16. Now next number is 21 and 23. 21 and 23. So what comes in between 21 and 23? 22. 22 means middle number is 22. Now next number is 19 and 21. 19 and 21. What comes in between 19 and 21? Yes, 20, 20. 20. Now, next number 9 and 11. 9 and 11. What comes in between 9 and 11? Yes, 10, 10. 10. What comes in between 9 and 11? 10. Now next number is 3 and 5. We have here 3 and 5 number. So what comes in between 3 and 5? Yes, phone number. What comes between in 3 and 5? Phone number. So we have here phone number. Middle number is 4. Middle number is 4. Next one, 16 and 18. 16 and 18. So what comes in between 16 and 18? Yes, 17, 17. 17 means middle number is 17. Middle number is 17. Now next number 6 and 8. 6 and 8. And what comes between 6 and 8? Yes, 7. What comes in between 6 and 8? 7. Now we will do next page. We have here another numbers. Now first number is 21 and 23. 21 and 23. So what comes in between 21 and 23? Yes, 22. 22. Now next number is 25 and 27. 25 and 27. So what comes in between 25 and 27? What comes after 25? Yes, 26. 26. Okay, now next 29 and 31. 29 and 31. So what comes in between 29 and 31? Middle number is 30, 30. 29, 30, 31. 29, 30, 31 means middle number is 30. Middle number is 30. Now next number is 31 and 33. 31 and 33. So what comes between 31 and 33? What comes between in 31 and 33? Yes, 32. 32. 31 after 32 and 33 before 32. It means middle number is 32. Now, Next numbers are 36 and 38. 36 and 38. What comes between in 36 and 38? Yes, 37. 37. Next, 42 and 44. 42 and 44. So what comes between 42 and 44? Yes, after 42 is 43. After 42 comes 43. Means middle number is 43. Between number is 43. Now next number is 47 and 49. 47 and 49. Which number comes between 47 and 49? Yes, 4, 8, 48. 4, 8, 48. Middle number is 4, 8, 48. Between number is 4, 8, 48. Now next number is 4, 3, 43. 4, 3, 43. And 4, 5, 45. And 4, 5, 45. So, which number comes between in 43 and 45? कौन सा नंबर 43 और 45 के बीच में आता है? Yes, 43, 44. 44. Means 43 and 45 के बीच में 44 नंबर आता है. Now next number is 32 and 34. 32 and 34. Which number comes in between 32 and 34? Yes, 33. 33. Now last number is here 48 and 50. 48 and 50 means what number comes in between 48 and 50? Yes, 4, 9, 49. 4, 9, 49. After 48, 49. Before 50, 49. It means between 48 and 50, 49. Means middle number is 49. I hope you have understood what comes between. So kids, do more and more practice at your home in your notebook. Okay, bye kids. Have a nice day.